Hello guys, welcome to my channel Data Analytic. Now in this video you can able to learn from tools you can able to solve the one SQL query is one of the biggest important question guys. Don't miss it. Why means this types of question definitely you can able to answer that interview also, and alone you can learn these types of query also can get some knowledge also guys. Okay, definitely these types of questions are definitely asked in the interview. Okay, is that depend on the company. Definitely I have when I go for the interview these types of questions definitely ask it and also write the query also, right? Now in this we can able to learn these types of queries. Okay, yeah, let's go. Now we can able to see what is the column should be there in the cell to start from table name. Yeah, as you can see the employee ID and name as a department is a salary and hiring date should be there, right? Now is a five column should be there. Now you can able to solve the this question, right? Now I need to find the top three high paid employees in each department wise. I need to find out there is the multiple departments. I need to find out exactly what are the departments should be there in the top three, in the top three of records, right? Yeah. And also guys, it's a small request. If you really like this, like, subscribe my data analyst. If one subscriber get a motivation myself, definitely I will create a multiple videos also these types of queries and Power BI related, SQL related and Python related also. Definitely I want to create that. Give me some time, definitely give the best results also guys. Please give me subscribe my data analyst. And also they getting the one featured from that YouTube channel. There is a hype. The hype is one of the best feature from the recommended on new videos. When is my YouTube channel there what I'm providing the content, and if you like it, definitely give the hype. Why means if we give the hype also, my video should be recommended someone, right? Yeah, please guys give me the hype and subscribe my data analyst guys. Okay, let's go. Now find the top three high paid employees in each departments, right? Now select start from one second, start from, yes, close the bracket, select. Now you can give us some names. I need this particular columns only. Is a name, department, yes, department, then salary, yeah. Then I want to use in the dense rank, dense, yeah, here, dense rank, close the brackets. Can use in the hover and can use an open the bracket, can use a partition by, one second, partition by department, yes, department, ordered by salary, right? You can use in the descending order and close the bracket. As can give the some name is the rank in department. Just can give the some name from employee. Just can, yeah, can remove the e, yes, yeah. Then can give the some, close the bracket, can give the some alias name should be q and ranked, yeah. Can give the condition where rank in department. This is the can give condition, okay. And what is the condition was less than equal to 3 is my condition, and then ordered by department comma salary, right? Yeah. Now just execute the query first of all, then I will explain everything. Yeah, now you can see guys, everything you can able to check out from here. Then you can give the descending order, yes. Then you can able to know, yeah, 1 2 3 is the top three salaries by department wise, right? You can use the dense rank only. Why dense rank means dense rank doesn't skip the record, that's why you can use in the dense rank only guys. Okay, yeah. If you really like this, so like, subscribe my data analytic. If you give the one subscriber, get a motivation like myself guys. And also you have the YouTube channel, they providing the hype also. Please give me the hype. Definitely the video should be recommended to someone, and also everything is fine guys. Okay, if you really like this, so like, subscribe my data analytic. Bye bye.